Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys every brain rot you will need for the artist frenzy. So if you complete it to like 100%, you'll get the pine, a painter seed. You'll get Mr. Croissantiago. He's not actually worth that much, honestly, but he's kind of cute. And the monetary, okay, I think it's going to be in cards, which I have to go back to my garden. Monetary masterpiece card. Let me just go back here. Let's change this one. Let's see if we get that. Where is it? We should have got that one. Oh, here it is. The monetary masterpiece. It says 10% increase income from all Brainrots. It is a limited card. So here's every Brainrot you'll need. I've already submitted everything, but you'll need the Bandito Bobrito, and you'll get money first. I don't think I can do it, like, complete it, because there's just some, okay, I don't have ballerina cappuccino, because, like, I turned on my auto sell. You'll need Bananita Dolfinita, Gangster, Futera, Burbaloni, I'm butchering all of these names, Lily, Elefanto, Cocofanto, Las Chalaleritas, Madum Bottolini, Frigo Camello, Bombini Gusini, Arlino Armadillo, Baby Pepperoncini, Pesto Morcioni, Kiwissimo, Giraffa Celeste, Constructione Tralala, Mattia Luis Trafico, La Tomatero, Crazy Lone Pizzaioni, and Garam Raram. And then you'll get these, if you can't find them, some of them you'll need to open up, like, your eggs. Here, not this one. Which one is it? Because you'll need to get La Tomatoro, and the way to get that is by opening the eggs. Oh, like this one, the secret egg. I think you can get it from the belt as well, like Garamara. I cannot pronounce those Brainrots, but that's where you can get it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!